Doing good? In this video, I will be showing you how to create a print-on-demand journal. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Printify. Printify is one of the most highly rated print-on-demand platforms, as you'll be able to create an account for completely free using your email address. To get started, you'll simply tap on Start for Free, and then from there you can enter your sign-up information. Once you have done that, you can go over to the top left-hand corner, and right where you see Test Store Pod on my screen, from there you can tap on Add a New Store, and you can choose whether you would like to sell your design, your journal design on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, or you can even create a free pop-up store with Printify. By selecting Printify Pop-up, you will be able to create an e-commerce website for completely free using the Printify platform, and then from there you can sell your print-on-demand products. So it is a free, no investment option by selecting Printify Pop-up. Once you have selected the option that you would like to add it to or the sales channel, you are going to simply tap on Catalog from the top left-hand corner. After selecting Catalog, from here you can see numerous options that you can choose from, as you can see right here. But since this is an example about journals, we're going to tap on Journals and Notebooks. After doing that, you can see the target market. So you can choose either USA, Europe, or United Kingdom. You can also tap on Print area right here. Do you want it all over print or cover front and side? You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. So you have different options that you can choose from. Then from there you can scroll down. We're going to be selecting the best seller for this example, which is a spiral notebook. You can see it right there. Or we can select the spiral bond journal. So we're going to select the spiral bond journal. Then we're going to tap on Start Designing in the bottom right hand corner. After doing it, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can see the back cover and the front cover. Now you have a few options. For example, you could go over to the top left hand corner and you could tap on Uploads, and from there you could upload your design from your device. So for example, you could go onto Canva and you could create a design, or you could go onto, for example, Fiverr or any one of those freelancing platform, and you could pay someone to create a design for you. Or you can simply tap on graphics right here and you can use one of their pre-made designs, or you could tap on add text, and from there you could add handwriting if you would like to add that to your journal. So you have quite a few options. But let's say, for example, we were to go back into Canva. Let me refresh this page real quick. Once on the Canva home page, all you'll need to do right here, you could simply tap here and you could type in journal, and then we could select journal cover. After selecting journal cover, you can see different journal templates that you can choose from. So you could scroll down and you could select any one of these template covers for example's sake. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All I'll need to do is simply tap on it. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on Customize this template. Then from here, you can change the text if you want. You could also change the image if you want. So you can change the little graphics that are here. All you'll need to do is go over to the top left-hand corner and you could tap on Elements. And then from there, for example, if you wanted to add, for example, a bird, you could type in birds right there. Then after doing that, you could tap on Graphics and you can see the different birds that you can add right there. So for example, let's say I would like to add a bird. I could simply minimize the picture of the bird or the graphic of the bird right there, and I could add it right there if I want. This is just a random example showing you how you can customize your book cover. Once it is there, you're going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then tap on Download, and you're going to tap on Download once more. After you have downloaded it, you're going to simply go back into Printify, then you're going to tap on Upload, and you're going to select My Device. Then you're going to be uploading the cover that we had created. You're going to tap on open. You can see that it is being added right there. Once it has been added, you can adjust how it looks. So we're going to simply pull it to the front right there, and we're going to minimize the size a bit as we want it to fit into the front. So you can see right there. Now you can also add something to the back cover if you want. You could add another picture or so on to the back cover. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to go back right here, and we could select another template for example sake. So I'm going to tap on designs right here, and I'm going to select another book cover. So I'll do that real quick. So I could tap here and I could type in once more journal and select journal cover. After doing that, you could select another pick. So we could scroll down and select another pick. Or I'm just going to be adding something real quick. I'll tap on journal back cover. Then from there, let's say, for example, I wanted to use this one. I could simply tap on it. Then I'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, tap on download. And then I'm going to be downloading page 2 only. So I'll tap on done. Then I'm going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, we're going to go back into Printify, and we're going to tap on upload once more, and we're going to tap on my device, and I'm going to be adding it. So I'll tap on open. Then I'm going to be adjusting the size once more. So I'll simply adjust the size. So I'll adjust the size real quick by pulling along the edges. Then I'm going to be pulling it to the back right here. Then you can adjust the size so you can pull it in, as you can see right there. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can adjust the size right there. So after you have done that, you could simply tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how it would look. So you can see the front preview right there. You can see the back preview by tapping right there. You can see opened. You can see the different options right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Publish. After tapping on Publish, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then the product will be added to your store. Once the product has been added to your store, you can tap on the three dots right here. Then from there, you could select View Store, View in Store, and you'll be able to view the product. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. One of the free pop-up stores that I was talking about earlier in the tutorial that Printify provides you with. So you can see an example of how their product page looks right here. So you can see that it does look professional. And again, this is completely free to do, so you'll be provided with a completely free store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.